This is the section 2 of the chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. In the session 1 we saw that exercise 4.1, only 2 questions. Now we will start from third question. See, use the figure to the name. Line containing point E. See here the figure, E point is here. Then AE, line AE. So you have to mention like line AE, line AE. Okay, like that. Now line passing through point A. Again line AE or line EA. Line AE or line EA. In that line A, point A will come through. So line passing through the point A, again the same answer. Line on O lies. See O here, O is here. So CO, line CO or line OC, CO or OC. Okay, like line, two pairs of intersecting lines, two pairs of intersecting lines, line AE, line CO, or line AE, line FE. Like that you can take two pairs. Okay, then how many lines can pass through the one given point and two given points? In the, see here, from one point how many lines? Many lines, infinite lines will go through, infinite lines will go through the one point. See, like one point is here, and but from the 2 points only one line can be passed through, only one line can be passed through. See, draw the rough figure and label suitably each of the following cases. Point P lies on AB. See, suppose this is line AB and in middle P point, or anywhere in this, from in between A and B, you have to put the point P. Now XY and PO intersecting at M. Line XY, suppose XY, line PQ, PQ. See, line you should mention, and here M is the intersecting point. M is the intersecting point. That, like that you have to draw. Then line L contains E and F but not D. See, one line you should draw, line L, line L. See, this is only one letter name is given, line L. This is line L. On that E and F are the points. E and F are the points present on that line L. But D is not on the line. So D mention somewhere here, 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 but not on this line. Okay. Then OP, line OP and line OQ meet at O. Line OP and line OQ. See here, like that, OP and suppose this one O and OP and O, suppose here point Q, OP and OQ. Over. Consider the following figures. 6th question. Consider the following figures. Line M and bar. Say whether following statements are true or false in the context of the given figure. See, from this figure you have to say the statements true or false. Okay. Then Q, M, O, N, P are the points on the line M, N. See, M, N, Q, M, O, N, P are the points on the line MN. See, line MN is here. Q and P, you will think these are not on the line, but these are on the line of MN, because line we can extend for this side and this side how much you want. So this can be possible. Okay, so it is true. Then M and O are the points on line segment. M and O are the points on line segment MN. Line segment means it will start from this M and N, not for this side and this side, but M and O, then it is also true. Okay, then C, M, N are end points of the line segment. Mn are the end points. True only. Mn are the end points, because for the line segment end points will be fixed. Okay, we can't extend this to this side or this side for the line segment. On are the end points of the line segment OP. OP is the line segment, and they are telling MN are the end points. So line segment, it is false. For the line segments it is false. Then M is the one of the end point of the line OQ. OQ, line segment OQ, where M is the one of the end point. No, it is middle point of the line segment OQ. It is the middle point. In somewhere in the middle of OQ it is placed. So it is a midpoint only, not end point. So this statement is also false. Now F, M is point on a ray OP. See, ray OP means this one is the starting point of the ray, and OP, we can extend this ray to this side, but not on the this side. So OP, M is a on point on a ray OP. So this one is also false. Mn is behind the point O, starting point is O, and behind it is, so we can't say this is true. Now ray OP is different from ray OQ. Ray OP is different from ray OQ. Is it different from ray OQ? Already different. OP is different, OQ is different. No, same similarity is there, so it is different. Then ray OP is same as a ray OM. Ray OP is same as a ray OM. Same as a ray OM. Same as a ray OP is a OM. Same as a ray OM. No, false. This will also false. Then J. O is not initial point of a ray OP. O is a not initial point of a OP. O is the initial point of ray OP. So it is also where it is not initial point. Ray is not initial point of OP. O is only initial point. So ray it is given, no? So ray only O is the initial point. Say K is the initial point of NP and NM. N is initial point of NP and NM. NP and NM. Okay. Then K. This one is also true. This one is also true. See, try to solve like this, and you have to write all the answers in your notebook. With this you have to solve the workbook also. We will discuss the workbook on the Zoom meetings. Okay, thank you students.